Discussion forums can be a great way to foster rich classroom discourse at a distance. They can also be terrible. I've had experiences with both, and I've had a lot more success when I give students a rubric upon which they can base their posts. So 1 point they get is for just posting. The second point they get shows that they've responded to the original question or prompt that was given to them. The third point they get is for showing that they've read the post that came before theirs. They can get a fourth point for bringing in outside evidence that supports their assertions. And their fifth and final point is for asking a question or provoking further conversation. It's pretty simple, and I've also found that it works really well for students who aren't comfortable speaking in a whole class setting.